let's talk about the L3 and F5 error codes in a GREE DC inverter air conditioner. Friends, this is a GREE DC air conditioner, which we have turned on, and it's showing 16 degrees on the display. As soon as the error code appears, we will show you and also explain why this error code shows up. So friends, as you can see, the L3 error code has appeared on the display. Whenever the L3 error code shows up on the display, it has a specific meaning. And today we will explain in full detail why this code appears and what L3 stands for. Let's get started because this fault is related to the outdoor unit. Let's head over to the outdoor unit, where we'll explain in detail what L3 means. Now, as you can see, we are at the outdoor unit. If the fan motor in the outdoor unit becomes faulty for any reason or gets jammed, though right now this motor is working fine, if the motor jams or has difficulty rotating, it means that the motor is faulty and needs to be replaced. In addition, let me show you where the connector is located on the PCB. Look here, this connector is for the outdoor unit's DC fan motor. I've removed this connector, and it is installed here. If this connector becomes loose or disconnects for any reason, the L3 error code will show on your display. You can simply reinstall it to fix the problem. Sometimes, due to the unit's vibration, some connectors become loose, causing them to lose contact with each other. Additionally, the outdoor unit has an IPM, Intelligent Power Module, installed for the DC fan motor. If that gets damaged, the indoor unit will also display the L3 error code. I'd also like to give you more information. Some models have the L3 error code for units with DC motors, while in other models that don't have the L3 error, they use an AC fan motor. This is also something to keep in mind. Now, let's talk about the next error, F5. We will explain in complete detail why the F5 error code appears on the display of a GREE DC inverter air conditioner, what the causes are, and how you can fix it. Let's head over to the outdoor unit, because this is also an outdoor-related fault. We'll show you what causes this error and which component might be faulty that triggers the F5 error code. Now we are at the outdoor unit. Whenever the discharge pipe sensor becomes faulty, it will give you the F5 error. Look here, I'm showing you the connector. In this connector, there is a white wire, which I'll separate and show you. As you can see, it's a bit hard for me to grab, but now I've taken it out. This white wire is for the discharge pipe sensor. Whenever the discharge pipe sensor becomes faulty, the F5 error will show up. Now, I will show you where it is located on the compressor. As you can see here, it's attached directly to the pipe that comes out from the top of the compressor. If this sensor becomes loose or disconnected for any reason, it will also trigger the F5 error code. Let me show you what this sensor looks like. Here, I've removed it, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. Whenever this sensor goes bad, the unit will display the F5 error code. Additionally, you can check its resistance to see if it's functioning properly and check if the resistance is varying or not. You should also grab a multimeter and remove the connector. Once the connector is removed, check it using the multimeter. If nothing shows on the multimeter, it means the sensor is open and needs to be replaced. Besides this, arrange some hot and cold water, dip the sensor alternately in both, and check its resistance. If you're getting a consistent value each time, it means the sensor is fine. However, if the sensor shows low resistance at one temperature, then suddenly high, then low again, or fluctuates between medium values, it means the sensor is shorted and needs to be replaced. Once you replace the sensor, the F5 error will disappear from the display and your unit will return to working condition. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.